You have?
Building part of these cars. They are computers. As I read,
the Honorable Minister, if this car is powered,
This is the charging point, right?
That's the charging point.
Excuse me.
You can see it. It's the charging point. Over.
Okay. So which one am I doing? Walking?
No, not walk. Stay one place.
Over 9 hours of charge, and any socket like a family house socket, and it will charge you for 9 hours, and one charge will go 482 kilometers. So and anybody who is able to afford this car can easily do that. So Nigeria, I think in cities like Lagos and Abuja and Port Harcourt, if we start using these cars, it will be a good start for getting ready for the future.
What are the special features of this car?
Sorry?
The special features of this car that makes it unique.
The special feature is it is fully electric, no emissions, no fantastic range on one charge, 482 kilometers. It has no engine, no combustion. It is absolutely noise-free, no maintenance car.
It's an eco-friendly car.
It is an eco-friendly car, can seat 5 people without any issues. It is assembled here in Nigeria. It has been taken care of the local, infrastructure, the local roads. So same shock absorbers and all are being taken care of.
Yeah. Okay. Now, though the standard charging is for 9 hours 35 minutes, but that does not mean that we can't do it even faster than that. Now, the 7.4 kilowatt charger takes about 9 hours 35 minutes, but if we can go for a high charger like 22 kilowatts, which we can also supply if a customer demands for it, of course, yes, it will be slightly extra cost on that, but that can charge the vehicle in 3 hours 30 minutes. We also have the option for a 40 kilowatt charger, which can charge the vehicle in less than 2 hours.